So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then once you're on this, make sure you have both these settings on the default options, like how it is on my screen. So obtain an IP address, automatically select that. And now under it, obtain DNS server address automatically as well. So just keep it on the default options and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and then click on enter. Now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.